Hi everyone, in this guide, I'll show you the easiest ways to take screenshots on Windows 10. Whether you need the whole screen, just one window, or a custom area, I'll walk you through step by step. The quickest method is the print screen key, usually labeled PRTSCN. Pressing it once copies your entire screen to the clipboard. You can then paste it into Word, Paint, or any image editor. For an even faster option, press the Windows key plus print screen together. This instantly saves a full screen screenshot in your Pictures folder inside the Screenshots subfolder. If you want more control, open the Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch. Just search for them from the Start menu. These tools let you pick different snip modes. Use rectangular snip for neat selections, freeform snip for custom shapes, window snip for one active window, or full screen snip to capture everything. After you capture, the editor opens so you can draw with a pen, highlight text, or erase mistakes before saving your screenshot. And that's it. Now you know multiple ways to take and edit screenshots on Windows 10. Try them out and see which works best for your needs.